Anyone else have a crying child right now? What happened?
I don't know.
You drew on it?
Sorry. I'm trying to get it off.
Hi, I'm Coach Natalie, and this is
Me.
her name is Stella, and she is my little baby. And
I'm a kid.
she's a kid. She's 4 years old. And so while we can't do preschool at school right now, we're going to be doing it at home. And a big element that I teach every single day is physical education. For the last probably 10 years, I've seen over 20,000 students and teachers, and they range from ages from 2 all the way up to middle school. And I've learned a lot about keeping children entertained, keeping them fit, keeping them well, not just physically fit, but emotionally fit and happy. I wouldn't say I'm perfect at it, but I do the best that I can, and I'm going to share some ideas with you over the next couple days. But the first thing we need to do is we need to find a whiteboard, because Stella decided that even though she has paper, she was going to draw all over her own version of a whiteboard.
And the table.
And the table. So we decided we're going to, while converting her room, we're going to turn one of our windows back here into a whiteboard, and we're going to show you that in just a minute. But there are a couple steps to this. First thing you're going to need is some paper, whether it's small pieces of paper. Make sure it's a solid color. I would recommend you get a white piece of paper, because if you have markers, they're probably different colors. I would also recommend that you get some scissors out and get you a helper. Will you be my helper? Yeah. And you're also just going to need a little bit of tape or something sticky so that you can stick it to the window. I would recommend you find a space that... I would highly recommend that you find a space that your child can reach. Are you excited to start school?
Yeah.
Are we going to play school at home?
Yeah. Every day.
Every day?
Yep.
Let's draw on the table. Let's draw on there.
On the paper.
On the paper. Okay, so we have our paper.
And tape. Hey, and tape.
Lots of paper. Okay.
Tape.
And we have some tape. And we're going to take our paper.
And we're going to cut it out.
Yep. We're going to roll it back up a little bit.
I'm just going to get some tape like I do at school.
Okay.
Like this. Okay?
So how long does it need to be?
Like this one. Like that. Like the window.
About the length of the window. Okay. So, about right there.
Yep.
So will you mark it right there with a little line?
Yes.
We put a little. Okay, that's a great idea.
Like a little line. Like this way.
Can you draw me a little line? Yep. And let's draw it this way. This way. Okay. Now can you cut it all along here?
Yeah.
Not quite. Let's take this window and watch this, Stella. It's magic. Whoa. You might want to scoot over. Now we need to take our paper and put it right here. And we'll fold it right here.
And then,
You gonna help me tape it?
yeah.
Or tape Now we need to make sure it's secure to the window. Do you have any more tape? Or do we need more?
We need more.
More, okay.
I'll put some right here.
Okay, let's put some right here. That's a good
There we
spot.
go.
Okay. Close it back up. Can you?
And even down numbers.
Really? Huh. And please leave us a comment. Let me know what you're struggling with. Let me know what you need. We're going to be putting a lot more videos together for you over the next couple days because a lot of what's going on. It is March 2020, and if you're watching this years from now, which I hope you still are, I hope this is still relevant then. But I think we're all going to remember this time when we were quarantined at home, social distancing ourselves from everything and everyone, bars and restaurants closing, lots and lots of people being laid off, every school being closed with no opening date. It's a little bit terrifying. Grocery stores not having bread or meat or milk or pasta or canned goods or anything like that. It's a little bit scary, but hopefully we all stick together. Hopefully we all survive. My daughter's calling me from the restroom. Hopefully we don't run out of toilet paper. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.